3 injured in fight on board of MSC MARTA. Container ship MSC MARTA had to interrupt her voyage from Dominican Republic to Santos, Brazil late Jan 28, and head for Guyana, to medevac injured crew. Understood one of the crew, of Serbo-Croatian nationality, went amok and wounded 3 other crew, cook, engineer and fitter. Cook's wounds requested immediate medical assistance. He was airlifted by helicopter and transported to hospital. Understood other 2 injured crew remained on board. All 3 injured crew are from Montenegro. After medevac, the ship resumed voyage. Aggressive person was neutralized and isolated by other crew. He's to be handed over to police on arrival at Santos. Container ship MSC MARTA, IMO 9,295,385, DWT 72,044, capacity 5,919 to, built 2005, flag Panama, manager MSC.